YouTube, how the flip you doing today? I am the Hunter Zip, coming at you with a new reaction video today. Oh yes, yes we are, and it's one of my personal favorites, you know. I gotta say, you guys may be hating on him and all this other stuff, but, you know, I enjoy his music. I'm enjoying the arc of this, because you know what? Machine Gun Kelly, he's a businessman, and I gotta tell you what, the fact that he decided to venture into the pop punk scene, oh man, he doesn't have that higher voice, you know, like some of the artists do. He's got that more deeper grunger voice, and he can't really like bring it up too much. But I mean, if you guys listen to the songs and you guys understand what he's talking about in the songs, then you would understand this, you know. He named the album Tickets to My Downfall based on the fact that he's either going to make it or break it. And, you know, so far it looks like he's making it. I mean, a lot of my viewers don't really like him or whatever because they're sold on that really hardcore rock stuff. But I'm doing this for the other guys that don't really get to, you know, hear a lot of their stuff listened to. So we're going to jump over here and we're going to get into this one today. Today we're going to be listening to Machine Gun Kelly featuring Halsey, who I fucking love. I don't know about you guys, but I fucking love her. She's amazing. It's Forget Me Too, and this song is a banger. I'm going to tell you that right now. And the video, don't even get me started.
You want me to forget you? Okay, forget me too.
Those are some hard wrenching right there.
You hate me, baby.
He seems upset.
Yeah, I bet you do.
It's 2001 again, baby.
Damn, I saw you walk in the room and I tried my best not to panic while I'm looking for the back door. I smelled a perfume and it's obvious. I'm gonna stay and put my key in the bag more. I can't pretend to forget you. The reason I punched a hole in the wall back home. And then a couple hours later we're in room 29 at the Chateau. I left before you woke up.
Why is she stuck in the A-ball?
I don't feel right. See you sober. You want me to forget you? Okay, forget me too.
Oh, she mad.
Tell me you hate me, baby. Yeah, I bet you do. I'm keeping you waiting, but I won't wait on you.
Oh yeah, she wasn't gonna touch the nice bike. No way.
Okay, forget me too.
I've wasted so much time waiting around for your phone calls every night. My bad dreams are silk screens 'cause
I'm getting this like Avril Lavigne, Blink-182 vibe right here. Like, you know, I don't think I'm crazy. I hope I'm not crazy, but I'm really getting that Avril Lavigne, Blink-182 vibe right here on this song.
taste blood when you bleed. It's eating me alive. We both be better off alone. Still think I'd get you on the phone with one last breath in me. I die before I let you leave. You left before I woke up. Why
Don't ever leave before she wakes up. I'm going to tell you that right now. That is the worst thing you can do to a woman. She will never forget it.
don't I ever see you sober? You want me to forget you? Okay, forget me too. You tell me you hate me, baby. Yeah, I bet you do. I'm keeping you waiting, but I won't wait on you. You want me to forget you? Okay, forget me too.
Hey, you. Tell me why you do the things that make me
Hate you. It's an emotional kaleidoscope when I
face you. Permanent calligraphy, I just tattooed your name on me forever. You want me to forget you? Okay, forget me too. You tell me you hate me, baby. Yeah, I bet you do.
Travis Barker, baby.
But I won't wait on you. Want me to forget you? Okay, forget me too.
right, guys, that was Machine Gun Kelly with Forget Me Too. That was a good one. I enjoyed that one. Halsey is amazing, I gotta say. But she was giving me that Avril Lavigne, you know, like Skater Boy vibe right there. Like, I enjoyed that one. That one was good. And then Travis Barker coming in at the end on the drums, he's just hitting it, and I was like I felt like I was a kid again. But all right, guys. You know, if you guys are still here and you guys have not done it yet, you know what I'm gonna say. If you have not hit that subscribe button yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button at the bottom of the screen. You know where it's at. You've seen it. It's in bright red. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up or a thumbs down if you didn't like this video. But also, don't forget to ring the bell so you can stay up to date on our content. Our goal is to hit 100 subscribers by the end of November, so please help me out and let's hit 100 subscribers by the end of November. All right, guys. It's that time of the video. You know what time it is. Peace.